welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea and today we are going to make a flower crown. Flower crowns are a super popular thing for photo shoots nowadays and they're actually super easy to make. So my sister made this beautiful flower crown for Sloan's Cake Smash and I was just so surprised at how easy it was to make, and I thought that we would make another one together so that you can wear it for your engagement session or a session with your partner, a maternity session, anything, your kids, your dog. They're super easy to make and they're so cute. Very Pinterest. So the things that you're going to need to make your flower crown are some floral tape. I purchased it at Michael's. I think it was like $4. Some flowers. So these flowers also came from Michael's. They're a bit cut up now since we did use them to make this crown, but you can get lots of different shapes and greenery. Lots of greenery makes a really pretty crown. And then the last thing that you're going to need is some green floral vinyl. So this was also purchased at Michael's. It's really cheap and it came with quite a bit. Like, we've made just the one crown and there's still all this much left. And besides that, maybe a pair of scissors or some wire cutters, and that's it. It's super easy to make. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut a piece of the wire to fit around your head. So I've already done that. So basically there's a couple different ways that you can do it. You can either just like measure it and then twist to bring it together to just make just the circle, so you can do that. Another thing that you can do that I've seen by watching other YouTubers is to kind of make these little hooks. So you can make two hooks. Kind of just look like that. And then you want to attach just a piece of twine or something, and then that'll make your crown adjustable. So you can either make it tighter for yours, or that way someone else can borrow your crown if you want to make a couple different ones. For your bridal party, everyone can pick and choose which ones they like, and they're one size fit all. So I've already measured one. I'm just, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave it as a wired one. So after this, it's really easy. So if you look here, so all it really is we're going to tape the pieces of flower to the crown. So you can kind of see here. It's really that simple. So we're gonna start at the end. So right here, we're gonna go this way. So we're going to cut a little piece of our tape off. We want to choose our flowers. So I just have these right here. I'm going to place it here. And we're just going to start layering the flowers going towards the front of your crown. So you're just going to loop around. Now this tape's really weird. Like, it's not tacky or anything. It's kind of almost just like, I don't know. It's super weird, but it sticks together and it's Now this would actually be a super fun activity to do with your bridal party, I think, if it's something that you're planning to have everyone wear in your wedding, because then drink some wine, make some flower crowns together. That is if you're crafty. If you're not very crafty and you're watching this video, you're thinking, who can I get that is crafty to make this for me? My sister's super crafty, so she actually made Sloan's for her cake smash. And I was totally okay with that. And the fun part about this too is you can kind of take different pieces from your other floral arrangements and then kind of just create your own too. And in this case, then I just like to kind of cut had those scissors, it's probably way easier to just use a pair of pliers. So when you're taping, when you start adding a lot of different florals, you just want to make sure that you're taping down along the edge of the other ones so that you're not poking yourself later. Just really want to make sure that when you're taping, that you're pulling tight in with the other arrangement. Your crown like that, just picking different arrangements, putting them around the wire, pushing. You can also push them a little bit tighter as you go, and it's just going to start to form. Now you're going around the right, pulling tight, and the tape is really flexible, so you just want to make sure that you keep pulling as tight as you can and really securing it at the very end. And then before you pull it as tight as you can also kind of adjust and move and make sure that you like where the flowers are going, and you're just going to keep going all the way around the hoop. So you can see here with our already made crown that we started going towards the right as well. We put the bigger flowers in the front, so that's how we knew that that was the front of the crown, and then we just kept going around. There you have it. It's literally that easy to make a flower crown. If you like this video and want to see more how-to wedding tutorials like this, give this video some thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss another wedding tip with me. See you in the next video.